Today we will be upgrading the X14DBHM motherboard using NEMIX RAM server memory modules backed by unconditional lifetime replacement warranty. The X14DBHM motherboard is a high-performance, enterprise-level motherboard. It has 32 slots, a maximum memory capacity of 8 terabytes when configured with high-performance NEMIX RAM server memory upgrades. The X14DBHM motherboard accepts NEMIX RAM DDR5 6400 ECC RDIMM, built specifically for SuperMicro applications. Available upgrades include configurations of 16GB, 32GB, 48GB, 64GB, 96GB, 128GB, and 256GB modules. Maximum memory of 8 terabytes can only be achieved using NEMIX RAM 256GB memory modules. NEMIX RAM is a global leader in server memory upgrades for over 30 years, catering to Fortune 500, government, private businesses, and scholastic organizations. We are your IT infrastructure solutions partner, specializing in manufacturer-direct SuperMicro memory upgrades. For more technical information or to place an order, call us at 800-662-7466 or follow the link below to place an order.